Wow, look at that. We got this. So what is up, everyone? Today we have another Cars diecast review, and we will be reviewing Honk Cho. Maybe it's Honk Cho. Very nice. So Honk Cho is Miguel's crew chief. Pity Miguel Caminos from Cars 2. So this is a 2018 release, as you can see by the packaging. Comes with bonus collector's card and just some warning things in different languages. It's part of the World Grand Prix World, maybe, and nice green side of the card. It's not a very nice card, just has a little bit of a bend back there. It's because it kind of fell, but whatever. And let's look at the back. But here we have the Disney Pixar Cars logo, which it does not say Cars 3 because it's from Cars 2. This, I think, is actually prototype because it does not have the black part down there. I think. The World Grand Prix will determine who's the fastest car in the world. Yep, it will. So, just legal stuff down there. So I'll be right back with this all opened up. So here we go. We have the collector's card there. Right there. Then we have it right here, and of course him, the toolbox, and the messed up tires. I know it's not messed up, but it's just then a bit. You probably already see what is the problem, but I actually do have Petro Carolina. It's way up there. Yep, Petro Carolina, which is Miguel's crew chief. So stay tuned for that review in just a little bit. And let's take a look at him right now. So you see, just have the normal good expression. We have like the Miguel's kind of design like that, with World Grand Prix on there with the different red, yellowish, orange, and red. And then we have just his back window. This is all die-cast except this hat and hood and his headset kind of thing. Side windows or that design. The sides are the same. Little dot of the yellowish orange in there. And moving on to the side, the back here, just have this black design here. The base, just a screw. So this is very easy to customize, very easy, because you just, unless the screw's really tight, but the studs are just Mattel doing studs down there. Just really, you have to take like a drill and drill it out. It takes a while, so that's good to see a screw down there. And then we are going to go on to the toolbox here, just nice toolbox, hollow inside with World Grand Prix thing right there. And then we have the messed up tires. It should not say Lightyear. Really, Mattel, why does it say Lightyear? Miguel has no Lightyear tires. None of the World Grand Prix racers have Lightyear tires. Like, maybe Lightning's the only one. I'm not even sure what. I forget what kind of. But Miguel does not have Lightyear tires. His tires are like this dark gray. It's not orange. It's yellow. Yeah, orange. It's not. It's not that color. Why? Background just fell off the table, so I'm going to cut that out. But like, really, why? Why does it have to be like that? So now the collector's card. That's very simple but really nice. It comes with this little piece here that you just clip on, and it should stay up like that. So a lot of them, they should be tight like this. I find sometimes they might not be like that. Might be something's messed up with it or it just falls right out, but it should be fine. Let's see, like if I shake it, see, even if I shake it, won't come out. So that's good to know. And then number 5, because Miguel's racing number is number 5, and then we have World Grand Prix. It's like sticker or decal. It's a sticker. Let's focus in. See that? There. It's peeling off, whatever. And then this is like this nice foil, kind of nice shiny like that. So that's pretty much it for this review. I'll see you next time. Bye now. For those that you have stayed till the end, let's go ahead. Stick that right here. And I forgot to show that this has a little hole there that you can just stick in like that. And like change the tires, but actually they would either hold it like this or this.